the never-ending problem with door handles covers. Hey guys, today is going to be a really short video, and I guess everyone has covered this problem on E90 and E92 chassis. The problem is the door handle covers. So the door handles on these cars have two parts. One is inner, one is outer. The inner part and the outer part both are covered in some sort of a rubberized surface finish, some kind of a rubberized material, rubber-like material, whatever you call it. It's something that BMW came up with, and it's just terrible. Well, to be fair, there are two versions of these door handle covers, and I guess it depends on, I'm not 100% sure whether it's a year model or trim level. One is just a pure plastic, which is just plastic painted with whatever trim color you have on your car, and the other one is that stupid rubberized stuff. And that rubberized surface is that what starts to become really sticky, and it on some occasions it starts to peel off, especially the inner part peels off, and it becomes so disgusting. It's you cannot even touch the door handle once it becomes that's disturbingly sticky. Well, basically you could reupholster these, do some fabric, even vinyls work. I've done some of these in vinyl and it looks just fine, and I figured on my car I would just do the I will switch from this rubberized to just regular plastic covers, and I think they will last long enough for me. They come in boxes like this, so naturally we have one left, two right hand, because these, well, on a 4-door E90 you have three handles, three door handles only, because driver's door is a different design. So here's BMW numbers. This is original BMW part. Here is it comes in a box wrapped into this and paper, and here's the plastic version of this. Some people might say that it doesn't feel as nice, it feels plasticky. I think this looks pretty good. It does feel a little bit plasticky compared to this. This rubberized has that feel of more of a leather, I guess. I kind of like this for some reason. I don't know why. But in any case, to replace the door handle cover, all you need to do, you don't have to remove anything really. You could remove this insert, but you don't have to. The thing doesn't have any screws or anything holding it in place. It basically clips off, clips on. Have to use some kind of a removal tool. I don't think it's a good idea to have like a metal screwdriver and sticking it into your door panel. You just basically clip this off. Come on. Maybe this is not big enough. Probably a bigger tool makes more sense. Well, plastic, and the thing just comes off like so. Right, so basically what you have to do, you have to take a tool, like a clip removal tool or trim removal tool, stick it into the gap between the door panel and the cover, and just pry it off. Now the new one is going to be going on tight, because I already have some fabric on the inner part of the door handle, so it's going to be a little bit tight, like I said. So you push this thing in, the bottom part, as far as it goes, and then it just clips in. and I think it looks really nice. In any case, I'm in shorts today because the weather is the last day of summer. So in any case, if you have a problem is installing this new cover and you don't want to beat on your door handle, what you can do, you can take something like this. This tool has rubberized pads. If you don't like it, you can always use a rag and put it on the handle. In any case, what you can do is you can just take this tool and install it like this and press the cover against the inner part of the door handle and just squeeze it until it clicks in place. And it worked for me. Didn't leave any marks. Looks good. There you go. That's today's video. I guess I'm going to try and show what I'm talking about. So I installed this side and there's a bit of a gap here, right there. So like there's no gap here, there's no gap here, but there's a gap in the middle. And you would not notice it, really. I mean, it looks all good on the outside or on the well, upper part side, but there's a gap right here, so it didn't click in place. There you go. Ha! I didn't even need that tool. There you go. I was wrong, but this tool, it works. I mean, right there, if you just compress two halves together. But there you go, there's no gap now. Well, sometimes you think you're doing something right, but you're not. Just a bonus material. I didn't want to fix my cup holders because I'm not using those, so I just replaced this whole thing with something custom. And this is basically what it is. It's a piece of a perforated Alcantara. So I have this trim, part of the trim, covered with just Alcantara, solid, and this thing is perforated. And I kind of went maybe a little bit, and I might have gone a little bit too far because I got this perforated Alcantara on my center console too. So it might look a little bit weird. This piece of trim was kind of not looking that great, so I kind of wanted to replace it. Maybe I will replace it, but also just covering it up with the same fabric is kind of like, looks good enough to me. Maybe a little bit tacky, but I don't know. Let me know what you think about it. And I finally finished. Well, I shouldn't say I finished, but I got my steering wheel trim also reupholstered, and I think it looks pretty good, I think, in my opinion. And this is a factory performance, whatever, M performance Alcantara shifter boot. Kind of looks weird, I guess. That's my concern. That and this kind of all, I don't know. My brother didn't like this shifter knob, so he gave me his ZHP, and I don't have it on because I wanted to refinish it, I guess, reupholster it or something. But I still didn't get to do it. So for now I'm using what he called this bus shifter. Well, that's it for now.